Let's talk for a minute about what the author was attempting to accomplish here based on what we've seen in terms of the recipients. Let me give you kind of a short, concise statement on what the author was really wanting to accomplish with the book. It was to encourage those who were faltering spiritually to endure in the faith. To encourage those who were faltering spiritually to endure in the faith. And the way that the author is going to do that is by the inner working of theology and exhortation. The way the author is going to accomplish this is by the inner working of his theology, specifically his Christological material, the material about Christ, and his exhortation in what to do about it.